Very good morning, dear student. Today we are going to do a poem from your book Beehive, and the name of the poem is Rain on the Roof. Rain on the Roof. This poem is written by Coates Kine. Before we start this poem, I will tell you something about this poem. The central theme of this poem, Rain on the Roof, is the poet's varied reaction to the sound of raindrops falling on the roof of his house. This poem is of 3 stanzas, and let's see the explanation of the poem. The first stanza: when the humid shadow hover over all the starry spheres and melancholy darkness, gently weeps in rainy tears. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Humid means something which is full of moisture. Shadows. Here the meaning of shadow means moisture laden clouds which cast a shadow on the earth, hover, move around something. Then melancholy means sad. Bliss, happiness. Patter, sound of raindrops falling on the roof. And cottage chamber means the bedroom. So in these lines the poet is saying that when the humid shadow hover, here humid shadows refer to dark clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying that when the sky is full of these clouds which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain. When such clouds hover around in the sky over all the starry spheres refers to sky at night time which is full of stars. At that time, huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is whipped off by the raindrops, which seems like tears falling from the sky. The poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if it is crying, and the rain drops are the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like Ablingston like on the bed in his room, cottage chamber means bedroom, and listen to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. Every tinkle, next stanza, every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Tinkle here, tinkle means short or light ringing sound. Shingles, rectangular wooden tiles used on roof. Echo means repeated sound, and next word is woof. Woof means weft. The thread, for example, the thread woven across the loom. Patter, sound of raindrops falling on the roof. And here in these lines the poet is expressing his feelings when he heard the raindrops falling on the roof top of his house. He says that every tinkle on the shingles, I already told you, shingles means rectangular wooden tiles used on roof. Shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart and in his dream. He has many different fanciful imaginations. He adds that this sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many new different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as dreams. So he says that as he listens to the patters of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. And now the last stanza. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Here, air means old poetic word for before. Air means before, and dawn means daybreak time. List, old poetic word for listen. Okay. Refrain, the refrain means a repeated part of a song or a poem. Hear the sound of the rain. Here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. In the past, she used to love him a lot. She used to consider him a darling, means very dear, and she would let him sleep till daybreak, dawn, and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listened to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past, and he is reminded of his mother. So this is the poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Keene. Thank you very much for listening and watching.